Today we will discuss about odd and even. So what is odd, what is even? Even numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2 and remainder is equal to 0. For example, 12. 12 is divided by 2. 2 6 are 12 and remainder is 0. So this is even number. So and odd and remainder should be always 0 and it should be divisible by 2. So 12 is even number. And odd numbers are 27 or something, if for example. So whatever the number you take, it should be divisible. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 and the remainder is 1. So the remainder will be 1. It is not divisible by 2, is odd number. So now in programming, when we are writing a logic, assume n is a number. So n is equal to 12. In C or C++ or Python, n is equal to 12. So if n divided by 2 and remainder is equal to 0, then print even. So this is a programming logic for odd and even numbers. For example, else if, so n divided by 2 is not is equal to 0. So not is equal to is represented in programming by, is equal to is represented by double equals, and not equal to is represented by this one, this symbol. So print odd. So it's so easy. So when you are writing a logic for odd and even numbers to print, you assume any number that is given as input to you as n. You assume any number that is given as input to you as n, and it should be divisible by 2 and the remainder should be 0. Then it is even. It should be divisible by, it can be divisible by 2, but remainder is not equal to 0, and it cannot be completely divisible by 2. It will always give a remainder of 1. It means it's not divisible completely by 2. So it is odd. So odd is something that gives remainder to itself, like 27 ones are 27. So 0 is the remainder. It is odd number is something that is divisible by itself, or odd number is something that is divisible by an other odd number. 3 9s are 27. So 3 is an odd number. So 27 is divisible by 3, and 9 is an odd number. So 27 is divisible by 9. So whatever, like odd number is something that is divisible by itself, or it is divisible by an odd number. So it is, whenever it is divided by 2, it doesn't give a remainder as 0 because it's an even number. So this is how the simplest logic you can write in Python.